Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to talk about matched audiences inside the LinkedIn Ads account. So matched audiences are basically different types of audience targetings, which we can do in the account, which then can be used for targeting our LinkedIn ads to relevant audience. So let's have a look at it, all the various types which we get in this particular segment. So once you log into your LinkedIn ads account, we can go to the plan on the left panel where we can go to audiences. In audiences, guys, we can start creating these different types of audiences for our business. So let's have a look at this. So the first one is wherein we can upload a list. So which can be for a company or contact. So what we can do out here is we can create an audience from a list of contacts which we have from our companies and email contacts. Okay, so you can give a name of this audience over here and choose whether you want to provide a contact list or a company list. And based on which now the LinkedIn algorithm will try to target our ads on these particular contacts. Okay, so in this manner, we can run our ads also, and we can show our ads to our contact list members or the particular company list members. In the same manner, guys, we also have offline events. So when we conduct any offline events on LinkedIn, okay, those can also be uploaded over here. We can go ahead and upload the offline events list, which will contain the information of the users. And now we can go ahead and target them with our ads, with our LinkedIn ads. In the same manner, moving forward, we can do retargeting in various manners. For example, let's say we can do retargeting through our company page. So if we have a company page, we can create a remarketing list or an audience list over here. We can give a name of the audience. We can go ahead and select what kind of engagement do we want to retarget. Let's say people visiting our organization page or people who clicked on a call to action button on the LinkedIn page. So based on what is our requirement, we can choose the engagement, and then we can choose when did they engage, whether it was in the last 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. You can choose the duration based on which we can build an audience as well. And now this can be linked to a campaign inside the LinkedIn ads account to target ads on them. Another type of targeting which we can do here is event targeting, wherein if we have created an event, okay, which ran on LinkedIn, okay, we can go ahead and create an audience on that as well, and now target our ads on the members in that particular audience set. Okay, so that becomes wherein we are marketing our ads to those people who attended our event. So that can also be done through event remarketing or retargeting. The another one is lead form, lead generation form. So if we have created a lead generation form wherein we have gone ahead and asked people to fill up their information, we can also engage with them based on various inputs, wherein anyone who has opened the lead form, or let's say only people who submitted the lead form, based on which we can create an audience list. Okay, and now this can also be linked to the campaign in which we have created that particular lead form. And then we can create this audience list and start collecting the user's information who had engaged with our lead form, and we can target our LinkedIn ads to them. This way we can do lead form engagement as well, retargeting as well. Similarly, you have single image. So in single image retargeting, what we're doing is if we are running any single image ads inside the LinkedIn ads account, we can also target those people who interact with this ad, okay, or people who performed chargeable clicks on the ad. Okay, so based on the interactions which we got on our single image ads, we can create an audience set. We can create a group of, we can collect a group of audiences who engaged with our single image ads, and now we can target them with our LinkedIn ads. You can link the particular retargeting to the campaign in which you have the single image ad created here. In the same manner, we also have video retargeting. Video retargeting is a case wherein we can engage with those users, those members, LinkedIn members who engaged with our video ad, okay, which we have created inside the LinkedIn ads campaign. Okay, people who have viewed at least 25% of the video ad, or 50%, 75%, 97%, you can choose the particular engagement, and based on which we can create an audience set of people, okay, who interacted with that video ad. And now we can target them with our LinkedIn ads to grow our business, to sell our products and services. Similarly, what we also get is website retargeting, which is a case wherein we want to engage with those people who visit our websites and possibly engage with it. Okay, so we can target based on when they engaged with our website. So last 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, we can choose the duration out here. And now we can give the web page information as well. So we can give the name of the web page as well in this particular manner. Let's say this is my web page. And then we can create this particular audience set, okay, which then we will link to a LinkedIn ads campaign to run ads on them, to follow them with our ads. So this becomes website retargeting, which you can say. And then you have lookalike audiences as well. Lookalike audiences are going to be those audiences which are similar to your matched audiences which you have collected. So only once you have matched audiences working inside your LinkedIn ads account, we will be able to create a lookalike audience similar to that. For this also, we need to have at least 300 matched audiences or matched members data collected in our audiences segment. Then we can go ahead and create a lookalike audience. Lookalike audiences are those audiences which are similar to our matched audience. And with this, we're trying to reach out to more people who have similar traits as our relevant customers. So this you can also do through lookalike audiences. I hope this makes sense now. These are going to be all the matched audiences which we can create inside a LinkedIn Ads account, and we can use them to grow our business, to sell our products and services to our customers. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.